Last summer, Carly El Corazo made a book called Professional Product Management with Rome, and he made it into a Rome book, that is a file that you can download and integrate directly into your Rome database. And that's awesome because you have the whole book here, you can make references, etc. However, most of the time you will have to take your highlights and your notes from more traditional sources like actual paper books. On this video I will show you how to do that very fast. Let's pick up a book. This one, perfect. This one's great. It's full of my little notes back when Rome didn't even exist. But let's take, for example, this one here. Now I could go and type it, but let's do it differently. Okay, so from my phone, let's go to an app called Readwise. Open it. Now let's add highlights down here, add via photo, and let's take a picture of the book. The text that I want to select. That's it. Save. Next. Here I could add any note that I want, any tags that I want, any page numbers that I want, and then I would be able to save them. Now, because this is my very first highlight for this book, on purpose, let's add a new book and see how that works. It's as easy as that. So back in our Rome database, let's look for the book. It was called Influence, and here it is. And this is the quote that we just added. If I go back and keep reading and keep capturing quotes, it will automatically add them down here in the database without me having to do nothing else. Now the software behind this is called Readwise, and it allows you to import and export highlights from all sorts of sources. It's not free, however, I believe it's very much worth it. In case you decide to do that, once you log in, you just have to go to Export here and make sure you have the Rome export widget connected. Let's configure it. Here you can select what databases you want to export to, if you want to export automatically, and all sorts of other options that you can customize to fit precisely what you need. In my case, it looks like this, because this is metadata that I like and the tags that I want appended automatically to my highlights, or in this case it creates a book page and then the highlights down here. But you can actually customize this precisely however you want it to. And once it's set up, you just go to the app, take a picture, select the text, select the book, and it all appears in your own database automatically. Hope this was useful to you, and see you on the next one.